All right, trying to get this front finished up. Got a little bit to work on it here. 43, that's pretty square. I think I'm gonna just slant it down from 72 to 70. So it's gonna look a little goofy, but that's the best we can do. It has cooled off and that does not make me upset. It's been blazing hot. I don't think I have enough of these, but we're gonna at least get these panels mounted. Nice. Yeah, I drilled that hole way too big. Sometimes it's just hard to get back into the swing of things once you took a break. All right, well, at least it's up there. Let's get this other side cut. Need a little step stool here. Okay, now we're ready to get some shelves in the front here. So I think I'm gonna make them 2-foot shelves, but we have a lot of figuring out to do to make sure that they fit. So we're gonna start with our width, 2 foot by 78 3/4. 79 on the bottom here. Okay, gotta figure out where this is gonna go. Boy, how in the world am I gonna figure out? I guess we'll just measure 8 inches from the angle. Got a little rain going on right now, so we're just gonna be working in here. So we're gonna put this at 32 inches tall, 8 inches out from the angle. All right, we're gonna use some pocket hole screws, put this in place, and we may come back and put some more reinforcement in, but for now, just to get this in place. All right, now I gotta figure out where the top one's gonna go. I like it right on top of that E-track, so that's for sure gonna go there. So let's measure that distance, 58 3/4, and then 8 inches from the angle. I just got a Swanson straight edge we're gonna try out. Pretty excited about that. Don't have to use our E-track anymore. Okay, I got that shelf set in here. Now I'm gonna try to mark it up. So 39.5 should be center. So there's our center point. We should be able to hit that. Come back 7 3/8. Probably the same thing on this side. 7 1/4. Within 1/8 of an inch, we'll live with it. Okay, let's go cut this and see how this all comes out. I forgot, I gotta be off that mark 1.5 inches. So 7 1/4, it means 6 1/4, 5 3/4. I keep forgetting that. And then this, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. I guess I would just move off the mark 2 inches. I'm drilling a hole so this wood doesn't split. Never take chances. So now we're gonna get a measurement from, we're gonna make this the same distance back here because we can't go with level because the trailer is not sitting level. So we're just gonna get a measurement here. It's supposed to be at 34. So we're just gonna make a mark and that's where we're gonna put it. And these are just the strips that came off from cutting the notches out of the insides of these 2x4s. So I'm able to use them. I could put a piece right there, but I probably won't. Okay, now we're gonna put some in the top here. Not that it needs to be held down, but because putting screws in is fun. Put a few in the back for good measure. Okay, one more to cut.
Do you trust it to like hold you?
Do I trust it to hold me?
Yeah, like is it strong enough?
Well, I don't plan on sleeping out here, but
Ooh, I don't know.
absolutely, I trust it. I highly doubt we're gonna have 180 pounds on there anyway. We're back to 5/8 plywood and we're going to cut right down the middle. So I'm measuring 22.5 because I have an 1.5 inch offset with the saw. Get my super cool straight edge again. Can't get this. I do love this thing already. Super light and it overlaps just a little bit, so it's easy to clamp. Some of them are only 98 inches. This is 100 inches, so it gives you a little bit more length. Super sweet. And just make sure it's parallel before you even start. That's the biggest problem. If you're not parallel, you can't fix it. I did that to one piece. I cut it at an angle so this side was short and that side was short on that piece. So I couldn't use it for 24 or either side. Super light too, that's nice. Not like that 8-track. It's not sharp either. All right, let's see how this turns out. Looks pretty good. Okay, let's get a measurement to where we need to be. It's like about 26 inches. Look at that. Put a few screws in the top so it don't rattle around. Oh yeah. Well guys, this is gonna do it for this series. One more video is coming up. I'll do it when I have some time to really organize and decide where I'm gonna put everything and add those little things here and there to hang stuff and whatever. But so I think this is video 4 or 5 in this series. Finally built the shelves up front. Got everything as far as the large storage areas done. So I'll do a total walkthrough one of these days when I get everything like I want it. Not necessarily filled in because I want to have extra space. I got most of my tools in here. Definitely needed an area where I could store my big stuff. Like I can take this saw in and out if I need to, depending on the job. But it just rides real nice right there. As you can see, I got lots of organizing to do, but got lots of extra storage now. And this stuff is solid, but modular. You can take it out, move it around. So this stuff can easily come out. This is just held in with a tarp strap right now. And this is held in with a tarp strap as well, that has safety chains on it in case the tarp strap fails. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed this series. Hope you've got something out of watching me build this out for my purposes, but the type of work I do, this is what I needed. Anyway guys, appreciate you watching, appreciate you commenting, giving suggestions, what you did different, what you would still do to make it work better. I will also link some of the tools I use for this build. And until next time guys, good luck with all your projects.